Qingdao Huarui Hardware Products Company Limited is located in Qingdao, a beautiful coastal city in China. Main business: CNC machining, laser cutting, punching, shearing, bending, pressing, welding, machining equipments, laser cutting machine, CNC punching machine, shearing machine, bending machine, welding machine, drilling machine, polishing machine, etc. Our products have been used in high-speed metro and train, auto, ship, electronic, communication and mechanical industry, and medical equipment, industry non-standard parts, and special equipment. All the products are strictly inspected by operator and skilled QC with record put down. Bai Chao sheet metal process regards quality as a core issue. Certificate: we have obtained ISO 9001. Advantages: low MOQ, 5 to 10 pieces samples for checking at first is available. OEM and ODM manufacturer and trading company. Provide a consistently accurate laser cutting service. Use state-of-the-art high-speed laser cutters, plus CNC bending machinery. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, and so on. We also welcome all the orders from other countries. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.